In 2.12, we're doing solving multi-step problems. And now that we've learned all the ways to solve a 1-digit by a 2-digit, 3-digit, or 4-digit equation, we can use any of the strategies we use. So that could be the traditional method, the box method, expanded form, partial products, any of those. So our first problem is Mr. Myers wants to order 4 tablets for his classroom. Each tablet costs $329. How much will 4 tablets cost? So I'm doing 329 times 4. I wrote it out 2 ways. This would be my standard way. This would be my box method. If I solve them, they only have to solve them one way, but I'm just showing you no matter which way you solve it, you should get the same answer. So over here, if I do 4 times 9, that gets me 36. So my 6 that goes here, my 3 10s come up here to my 10s. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So my 1 1 comes down here, or my 110, I guess, and my 1 100 comes up here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So I got 1,316. It says how much will all 4 cost, so I'm going to put $sign. Don't forget that label. Now if I solve it over here, I should get the same thing. So 4 times 300 is 1,200. 4 times 20 is 80, and 4 times 9 is 36. When I add those all up, 1,200 plus 80 plus 36, I got $1,316. An example of a multi-step problem would be Amaya read 64 pages last week. Her older brother Rogelio read twice as many pages in the same amount of time. So first I'm going to do 64 times 2. You can solve that any way you want. I'll do partial products. 2 times 60 would be 120. 2 times 4 would be 8. So I add those up. I get 128. So that would be for her brother. And then it says her big sister is in high school and read 4 times as many pages as he did. So how many did she read? So I'll do 128 times 4. 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 8 is 32. I add those all up, and I get 512. So my answer is going to be that she read 512 pages. A lot of times it's just going to be important making sure we're reading through, looking for what the label would be. We don't want to put books here. We don't want to put dollars here. Making sure we're looking for the right label and making sure we're answering the correct question.